Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to show your ally or your friend movement through the wall. As you can see, you can only see the name on your friends, but with this setting you can also see their movement in the game. So what you need to do is doing this setting. Okay, firstly click the setting at the bottom at the top of your screen. Click the setting, click the basic setting, try to scroll down, try to search the perspective teammate, turn it on. Let's get back to the game. As you can see, your movement of your friend through the wall. So now you can see your position of or your friend or your ally, and also their movement, uh, to make you easier to help them or to support your friend in the game. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.